everyone, I'm back with another unboxing of the Potomac Beads Best Bead Box XL. That's a mouthful as always. And this is the only bead box that I subscribe to that is more about beading, not stringing. And I love it because I get to try out different techniques in beading. I do love to seed bead, but I don't have a lot of time. It takes, I always feel like it takes a little more involvement in it. I'm not as into it as I am into wire working, but I love all kinds of beadings. So that's why I subscribe to this bead, because I get my fix for seed beading. Without further ado, let's see what's in this box. All right, so this is the box for April. And I'm already seeing some really pretty earrings. And it says that this is the Garden of Eden. There is a Best Bead Box regular one that comes with less patterns. I believe it comes with 1 or 2 instead of, this one has 2 patterns and 1 free pattern, but you also get all the materials to make the 2 patterns, which I'll show you in just a minute. And it looks like that we're all doing, for April, we're all doing spring and gardens, because we're all looking forward to the weather, to the warm weather. Yeah, especially for me that I live in the Midwest. It hasn't gotten that warm here, so I'm so looking forward to being out in the garden. So it says travel to Garden of Eden, where you'll be surrounded by rich coppers, lush greens, and natural stones. Create the Eden leather wrap and take a little bit of this paradise with you wherever you go. Very cool. So here is, you get all you need for the 2 patterns, and then you get a bonus pattern, and then beads for your stash, which I love because I always discover new beads with the beads for your stash. So it looks like we have the philodendron earrings, and this is the pattern. It tells you what you need, but again, it comes with everything except, I'm not sure if it comes with the thread. We'll see. The thread, and then it doesn't come with the needle. But still, everything is mapped out clearly in the directions. And if you still have a hard time figuring it out, you have a video here which walks you through the pattern, which I have had to lean on once or twice, which is really cool. They have even more patterns on their website. I think they sell patterns, pretty sure. I do have a coupon code for them as well, so you'll see that in the box, in the description box below. So that's the philodendron earrings, and then it looks like we have a fun leather wrap bracelet, so that'll be fun to do. And oh, there we go. See, it tells you all the instructions. Very cool. And then it comes with a wire wrap Rivoli earrings. I got some Rivolis. I'll have to try this. Pattern, this design. Very cool. And like I said, here it looks like this has got some leather in it, so this should be, oh yeah, it does come with the Dragon Thread .006, and this is their own brand, so that is pretty cool that they have their own brand of thread. And then on this, where's the other one? Here we go. And then it looks like this one is for the earrings. So we've got some agates, some 4mm round agates, moss agates. So we have everything we need for the other one. So I'll set that aside, and now I'll set this to the side so we can see what's in the box. All right, so it looks like we're going to start off with a large leaf bead in topaz. I know I have more of these leaves somewhere for my stash, in my stash already. Then it looks like they provided some eye pens, premium antique 2-inch 21 gauge copper plated brass. So eye pens, always appreciated, very necessary. Then we also have, you'd be surprised how much I need sometimes these types of rings, the jump rings. Sometimes I think, why do I need this color? And then when I'm working on something, then I realize I do need it. So these are jump rings. They're open, 5mm 20 gauge premium antique copper plated brass, and this is a pack of 72. Then we have Potomac Crystal. So they are smoky topaz. Yeah, they're drops, sorry. They are 8mm, 6 by 8mm. But look at how pretty they sparkle. Very sparkly topaz. Very cool. Then we also got some copper. Looks like copper is a theme. We've got some copper. I guess they did say that it was going to be earth or new, you know, earthy colors. So we've got some copper crimp tubes. They are 1.5 by 3 millimeters, and this is a pack of 100. Again, always very useful. Then we got a fun tray. I love these trays. As you can see, this one, I think this one's plastic. I've got this metal one. These trays are thebomb.com. I love these trays. So easy to have your beads in there. Then we've got, it looks like some tulip. Very cute, a check tulip flower bead. Got 3 of them. So those are fun. Some really pretty tulips. It looks like there's a Potomac Crystal disco balls. Golden shadow, and they are 8 millimeter. They are 8 millimeter disco balls. Oh yeah, they have the little facet in there. Like a disco ball. Very cool. Look at that. Love it. These are fun. Very pretty disco balls. See, because then these trays are perfect because you put them on here. And then you just open your little baggie. Or wherever you want to pour them. Whatever you're using. And you just pour them in there. Without them going all over the place. Even though this lip is a little bit longer. Wider than I'd like. I like this smaller lip. But those are still good for holding them. And then we've got some pretty crystals. They are Potomac Crystal round beads in apricot AB. They're 2 millimeters. So they're teeny tiny. Look at these teeny tiny guys. With an AB finish on them. Very pretty. And I'm sure if I vacuum though, I could still find a whole plethora of beads on the floor. Then it looks like we've got some silver. Silver rice. This is a drop duo aluminum silver 3 by 6 millimeter. It says SB. I'm not sure what that means. I have a feeling it's the finish, but I'm not sure. But look at how pretty these are. Very, very futuristic. It's like a matte silver. Very cool. Then, last but not least, these look like coffee beans. Look, don't they look like coffee beans? I think they're probably called coffee beans. How much you want to bet? Let's see. Yeah, coffee beans beads. Matte light roast. Oh, light roast. I prefer dark roast, but hey, aren't these fun? I love it. They're coffee beans. I'm all excited over coffee beans, but I love coffee. Do you guys like coffee? Let me know in the comments below. But these are so much fun. I love it. I have to think of something to make with these. All right, you guys, so that completes our unboxing of the Potomac Beads Best Bead Box XL. Like I said, I do have a coupon code that I will link in the comments down below. If you're new to my channel and you want to see more unboxings like these, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and of course the bell so you get notified every time I upload a new unboxing, a new tutorial, or both. And as always, please take care of yourself and stay healthy, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.